Did you know that one Roman senator literally read philosophy while stabbing himself to death rather than bow to a dictator? In 46 BC, Cato the Younger faced an impossible choice. Julius Caesar had conquered Rome, and this proud senator would rather die than live under tyranny. On his final night, Cato calmly gave away his possessions and discussed philosophy with friends. He read Plato's Phaedo about Socrates' noble death, preparing his mind for what came next. After dismissing his sword so no one could stop him, Cato waited until his household slept. Then he used a small dagger to disembowel himself. His family found him pulling out his own intestines with bare hands. Even after doctors sewed him up, he tore the stitches open to finish the job. When Caesar heard the news, he reportedly said he envied Cato's death because dying for principles brought more glory than conquering nations. Cato's suicide became the ultimate example of choosing death over dishonor. For centuries, Stoics drew inspiration from his final act, proving that moral integrity matters more than life itself.